Imagine a camper so advanced, it feels like it drove straight out of the future, yet somehow, it still whispers nostalgia from the golden age of travel. This is no ordinary RV. This is the revolutionary futuristic camper that's changing everything you thought you knew about life on the road. From the moment you see it, it's like stepping into a science fiction movie that somehow feels real. Smooth curves, glowing LED edges, and that retro-inspired chrome finish, it's the perfect blend of past and future, elegance and adventure. But here's the real magic, this camper doesn't just look futuristic, it thinks. Step inside, and the lights automatically adjust to your mood. The temperature shifts to your perfect comfort level. The walls, believe it or not, are alive, they transform at the tap of a finger. Need a workspace? The wall unfolds into a desk. Want to relax? It becomes a home theater screen with 360-degree sound that'll make you forget you're in a vehicle. The kitchen isn't just efficient, it's smart. It learns your cooking habits, suggests recipes based on what's inside your mini fridge, and even preheats your oven before you say a word. And the best part? Every appliance runs on solar power that charges faster than most electric cars. You can literally camp off-grid for weeks, powered entirely by the sun and built-in energy storage that lasts days longer than anything else out there. And when it comes to sleep, forget about old, squeaky RV beds. This one adapts to your body with memory foam infused with cooling gel and microsensors that track your sleep quality. The camper even wakes you up gently, simulating a sunrise through panoramic smart windows that tint automatically depending on the light outside. But it's not all comfort, it's built to move.